Assalamu alaikum. It has been an immense pleasure to have the opportunity to visit Kartarpur with its beauty, its elegance, and so much culture, heritage, and religious beliefs that are promoting sensitivity. It has been beautifully kept by the PM unit. The beauty itself sparks the elegance, and it shows how well maintained it has been. The amount of work and effort has been played to keep it, for us to explore the diversity and the acceptance of love and religion. And we are extremely happy to have the opportunity, and I would like to thank the PM unit for giving us the opportunity to explore, to expand our own lens, to understand how we need to contain the type of love for all religion, and the amount of art we had the opportunity to look at. It was definitely, I'm very grateful, and I thank you all for this opportunity. We as a faculty of Lahore College for Women University, with me is our HOD, Dr. Asma Seemi Malik. I'm really grateful for her vision to give us the idea and to impart this sort of vision to our students, to create interfaith harmony and to give a wide range of lessons of love, peace and communication with all the religions, and creating this invisible love of boundaries that we can communicate, we can talk, and we can express and respect one another. So I would like to thank you all for your time, and yeah, thank you.